What's up, everyone? Welcome back. Forget everything you know about the BYD Dolphin. The cute round city car Dolphin is dead. Because this the BYD Dolphin G DM-i 2027 concept in this screaming metallic orange. It's not a facelift. This is BYD's first car developed exclusively for Europe, built in Hungary with 1,000 kilometers range. And I'm starting with the interior because that's where they completely fooled me. Opening the door, my first reaction was wow. This is dark, moody, and actually premium. My honest opinion, the old Dolphin interior was too boring, too much hard plastic. This G concept finally has soul. You get a proper digital instrument cluster, a big floating landscape screen in the middle, showing the new DM hybrid UI, 950 kilometers total range, 150 kilometer plus pure EV range. The gear selector is now on the steering column, just like Mercedes and Tesla do. That makes the center console super clean and floating with just a rotary dial for drive modes. I love the seats hexagonal pattern orange stitching that matches the exterior with a small DMI emboss on the headrest and that little plaque on the dashboard that says Dolphin G DM-i 2027 concept. Nice touch. Now my complaint, the blue ambient lighting everywhere, dashboard, console doors combined with the orange. In my personal opinion, it looks 50% futuristic, 50% gaming PC setup. It looks amazing on camera, but would you want to live with it for 2 hours every night? I would tone it down. But overall, this interior is a massive lift. It's driver oriented, clean, and finally feels expensive. Okay, now let's talk exterior because it messes that interior energy. This is not just a Dolphin with a body kit. It's 130 mm shorter and 55 mm wider than the regular European Dolphin EV, so the stance is wider, lower, more hot hatch than city car. The orange metallic with black roof, black fenders, aggressive black multi-spoke wheels and red brake calipers. I personally think this is the best looking small BYD ever made. It's sporty but still practical. LED sharp headlights, clouds grille, that thin blue LED strip on the lower bumper. Again, a bit gimmicky for me, and at the back full with LED tail light BYD logo in the middle and a diffuser with blue neon action with Dolphin GDMI badging. In short, if the old Dolphin was designed for moms doing school runs, this G is designed for their sons who love driving. And this is why I think this concept will actually sell. It's not a full EV, it's a DMI plug-in hybrid. a 1.5 liter gasoline engine plus an electric motor around 193 kilowatt system output on its sibling the Auto 2 DMI. That means you get the best of both worlds, silent EV driving in the city and a gasoline backup for long trips. Now charging anxiety 1,000 kilometers total range. This is exactly what global markets need right now, not just Norway and China. So price this is still a concept, but the production version in Europe is already hinted at around $36,000, €33,000. My personal prediction for global pricing: Europe 28,000, €35,000 for active to sports trim. SE Asia Indonesia, if imported CBU, it will be over 35K. If they build it locally with hybrid incentives, I think the sweet spot will be 24K, 31K, IDR 400, 520 million. If the price is over Auto 3, they're killing their own product, so they have to keep it just under. Final opinion: 80%. I love this. It's bold, efficient, and finally has personality. 20% I don't like. That screaming orange and the blue neon overload. Give me this exact car in Nardo Grey or matte black and it's a game changer. What do you guys think? Are you team flashy orange or team stealth gray? Comment below. Like, subscribe, and I see you in the next one. Stay curious, drive safe.